Hello everyone, I'm Mauro Stemberger and today I'm presenting a video for the 9th World Bonsai Congress organized by the World Bonsai Friendship Federation that select me as the European representative for this beautiful event. The tree I'm gonna work today is a Rocky Mountain juniper and I'm presenting the complete styling of the tree, starting from the raw material to the final design. I really hope you enjoy this video. I love to do bonsai around the world, and again I'm glad I can share with you my passion and my work today with this demonstration. Today I'm in Gran Rapids working for my friend Tim, and I will be giving the first styling on this beautiful Rocky Mountain juniper. Tim got this tree from the Eden Gardens in Chicago, and probably this tree was collected in the West by Randy Knight. Originally the tree was down, laying with this section facing up. So when I was here on my last trip 2 years ago, we repotted the tree with the idea of creating a beautiful semi-cascade. The tree has very compact foliage originally because in nature what juniper does, they restore the energies in the crutches, and so during summer when it's very dry, they tend to die back. They can hold the energy, and then when the water come back with the storm, they can regrow from the crutches. So they use those points of the trunk to restore the energy. So we let the tree grow nice and strong for 2 years. You can see this tree is a male tree, is full of flowers, and now I just did cleaning of the dead wood, cleaning of the green, and we can start making decisions. So basically we have a beautiful wavy trunk here, dead wood, fantastic movement down. Luckily we see the live line from this point here, and then the tree go down, twisting on itself, and we have a lot of nice branches in this position. Unfortunately, we have a very straight part here that I will go and remove to just create dead wood. I don't want to have green so low. I want to try to compress the green as much as I can to create a small canopy and highlight visually the beautiful ribbon trunk that the tree has. So first of all I will remove the extra foliage now that I clean everything and I can see the structure, and then I will start the wiring. Just remove the unnecessary part of the green, trying to break the wood and create the nice movement in this portion of the gin. It's very interesting to have this gin because I'm sure in the future will really help us to highlight the cascading movement. So now I finish cleaning here the bark, and then I can start wiring the upper branches. At the end of the work, we'll also look at the upper gin that I did originally on the tree and eventually reduce them. I just finished taking care of the structural wire and the secondary wire in the lower part of the tree. So generally when I work on a material like this, I basically try to divide the entire tree in system. So in this case we have one system that is the lower part where this main branch is coming off, and then another system is the upper part. So I already split those sections, okay, and then I work inside outside in the different part, matching 2 by 2 the bigger branches, and then matching 2 by 2 the smaller ones. Now that this section is primarily wired, I can subdivide my main system into single system according to every piece of wire, and taking care of the fine wire of every one of those. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. This is my strategy when I have a bush, to really break it down in a smaller system according to the wire rule, one piece of wire, 2 branches, 2 direction. So I know that I'm anchoring from inside outside and I'm coming out with all the nice connection I can. The next step before I will be fine wiring these branches, I will do also a little bit of cleaning. So branches, bar branches, I remove, branches growing underneath, and eventually only keep the nice and stronger tertiary branches that I will use to create the volumes of my pads at the end of the work when I will be setting in position the style. I just finished wiring the lower section of the tree, starting from the structural branches out to the very fine one, and now I have to wire the upper section, so my second big system of the tree. So I have basically 4 branches, the 2 bigger one, this and this, and then the 2 intermediate one that I will wire with a little bit lighter gauge, and then as I did for the lower section, inside outside from every branch I will wire the fine branches. At the end, when everything will be wired, it will be easy to start from the lower branches and set in position the shape of the tree. And here we are with the final product. I use all the upper branches to create a nice compact canopy, but still nice and dynamic down to the left to really highlight the beautiful movement of the deadwood and also match the direction of the gene. I short the right gene to increase that dynamism and also remove totally the lower gene that I left originally, but at the end of the work it was not matching with the overall design, so I decided to remove it. As you can see, I open up nicely all the foliage so the nice little branches can get a lot of light, thick up and start creating good volumes and maturing. So the tree will be here for another year in order to set the structure in position, and then in a year time we can go back and work a little bit more on the maturity and eventually move in the bonsai container that actually we already have ready. I want to show with you a nice square pot that I really think match with the beautiful movement of the tree and give also stability to the cascading. So in a year time we're gonna be moving this tree to the next container, and for now it's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you at the next.